Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Jackson Hewitt mobile app, easy access step by step clearly. Open the Jackson Hewitt mobile app on your device. Wait for the app to load completely. On the home screen, locate the login button. Tap the login button to proceed. You will see fields for your username and password. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, enter your password carefully. If you have forgotten your password, tap the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if needed. Once both fields are filled out, double-check your entries for accuracy. After confirming your information, tap the Sign In button. The app will begin processing your login request. If your credentials are correct, you will be directed to your account dashboard. If there is an issue, an error message will appear. Review the message and correct any mistakes in your login details. Once signed in, explore the features available to you. You are now logged into the Jackson Hewitt mobile app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.